guys, so right now it's hail, guys, right now, and I can't believe this, guys, look, it's hail, there's rain, there's thunder, look, guys, that's unbelievable, look, there's so much hail. We just went to BJ's, and then after that, we were running home, and the hail balls hit my leg, they hit my face, they hit my toes, they hit my shoulder, they hit everywhere, guys. Look at those hail balls. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Look at the leaves. What? Have you guys ever experienced something like this? Whoa, that's so cool. Like COVID-19. Seriously, look at that. That's crazy. Look at the hail balls. What? That's crazy. When we were in our car, I thought it was gonna break our window. The truth is, the hail balls. Oh, okay, so guys, I can't believe this. Look. That's unbelievable. So, yeah, guys, this is unbelievable, guys. So, basically, we have hail. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, guys, I've never seen hail before, guys. So, this is my first time seeing hail, and my mom's gonna go get a hail ball for me. Thanks, Mommy. One got into my house, Mommy. What? Guys, look. We got two hail balls. That's crazy. And they just banged two of these just banged my head. Sorry, my leg. That's crazy, guys. Look at these. What? The hail balls are crazy. Oh my gosh. Look, guys. Ah, I'm getting frostbite. Ah.
It's 1 centimeter.
Yeah, the hail balls are 1 centimeter. They're melting. That's why.
1 centimeter and a half.
That's crazy. Ah, that's cold. Guys, I just ate a hail ball. Yummy, yum. Hail balls are really good. Hail balls. Okay. Look, guys, this is a close up. Look at the hail balls. Oh my gosh. I've never experienced hail before. Come on, go in the house. Ouch! My thumb. Hail ball hit my thumb. Guys, when Mother Nature hits thunder or rain or hail, that means she's mad. What is she mad for? What did I do? I can pollute. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. That's crazy. Look. Look. Guys, look. Also, we put welcome to our home. My mom and me talked about that. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. That's crazy.